Welcome to the Clash. We will be cooking in Clash Royale like you've never seen. Like you've never seen. I got a crazy Inferno deck. It's gonna cook. I think we just... Oh, shoot. Let's just put this guy in the back here. Got some good splash. I kind of fucked that. I should have put him right here. Make sure that they don't get splashed. This push gonna go crazy though. Does he not have anything? Okay, there he goes. We have fireball though. Bomb at least makes it a tower. Barbarians here. It's huge. It's huge. Us. 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 It's huge. It's huge. I'm sorry. I wasn't talking that entire time, bro. I was so locked in. Let's go, boys. Let's go. We did it. 3 crowned his ass, too. Alright, let's keep it rolling. Let's keep it rolling. Maybe I can actually do some commentary this time. Just cycle out the deck here. Hog Rider. Oh shit, I didn't wait. What the fuck's my guy doing? He ain't cooking there. He's marching from that left. I mean, from the right. Oh yeah, Wallbreaker's just down. It's just absolutely fucking shredded. And tower down. I don't think he knows what he's doing. It's just like a small inkling. I don't think he's got it all figured out yet. Oh, good fireball. Actually, a good fireball. Good ass fireball from my opponent. I think we just put Giant Skeleton down. Like, I could actually, like, wait up on my elixir here. Just let it build up, really. Also, I have this Goblin Giant in case he hog rides. I mean, Goblin Cage. Yeah, here we go. Let's put this guy here. Get this Barb Barrel out. There we go. Oh, yeah. Skeleton's on the base. I mean, we're just fucking shredding. Let's get this Evo guy down here. And then wait for them to get taken out. It's huge. And Mini P.E.K.K.A follows. Yeah, base down. It's just 3 count. Oh my god, bro. Are we just like the best player in the game? It's just too easy. Holy fire spirit. 123 of them? More P.E.K.K.A.s. Oh, a legendary. A legendary. It's gonna be a fucking princess, isn't it? Fuck my life. Alright, I mean, let's just keep it rolling. He's 2 crowns higher than me. I think I just lose. I just get the furnace down quick, obviously. See what we're facing here. Some skeletons, okay. Some goblins. The splash damage is just insane with the furnace, bro. Holy fuck. Huge bomb, though, because the P.E.K.K.A. Oh my god, what a play. Holy shit. That was insane. That was just absolutely fucking bonkers. Get the E-barrel, I mean, E-barrel. Just get the barrel rolling in here. And then let's get that skeleton giant. Barb could take all the hits. I think this is just tower down on God. This is like literally just both towers down. Because P.E.K.K.A. comes in. I don't know, we just have some skeletons here for fun. That's 1 tower down. The rest of them die too because the skeletons have to distract. It's huge. Quick kite. Oh my god, I didn't even need to worry about it. I'm not gonna lie, bro, this is surprisingly easy. Alright, let's do another battle. I'm definitely getting better with the deck. That's for sure, that's for sure. Alright, what do we got here? I think we just cycle out the furnace. Probably just right side. Keep it from leaking, keep it from leaking. Okay. Okay, it's not the greatest. I think we just honestly don't worry about it. Just let P.E.K.K.A. go in. Wall breakers can take care of the left. I mean, yeah, I definitely gotta fireball this because those guys are pretty tanky. Just gotta like the elixir build here. I'm just gonna let this guy do a little bit of damage. I really don't care. Let's just put him up here. Furnace up here. Oh shit. Yeah, ain't good. Quick distraction for 1, I guess. Oh, he's not really worrying about his side. It's not good. He's not really worrying about his own tower. Oh, that's already just 2 wall breakers down. And that just gives me perfect barbarian barrel. Just not even fair. Mini P.E.K.K.A. down. I don't actually have enough for you. That's probably tower down, honestly. Oh my god, it's not. He's gonna keep trying to pressure right side. I'm just gonna hold up. Yeah, there we go. Good fucking call by me. Get the goblin cage out. What do we even do? I think, look at the fucking fire spirits. Holy shit, it's insane, bro. I mean, the Evo Furnace is just going to do it all himself, on God. Like, there's not even anything to do. Us. I mean, it's just an insta loss, bro. It's not even close to. Holy shit, what a round, bro. The deck is broken. The deck is broken. Alright, one more. Probably just gonna end it on a loss, on God. Alright, what's up, Bretta? Alright, let's move in. Okay, got the boys. Start working on this giant. There's E-barrel here. And let's get these guys going. We're just moving numbers here. I think they're going to try to go for my right tower. Oh my god, they actually went for it, dude. What an idiot. That's just 2 fucking huge ass bombs down, bro. It's just massive. I think he might try to cycle giant again, and I'm going to go for that cage. I'm just going to redo the play. Like, it's just an insta win. He's building up here. I genuinely think, yeah, his only strat is just some kind of counter push that's just not going to happen. Splash damage on just one guy. Great. Good call. Good call. I don't think... Oh my god, Skeleton Giant makes it because the Barbarian's there. Holy, what a play. Oh, okay. That's fine. Let's just play this right side. Goblin Head's definitely almost down here. That's huge. I think Spirits just kind of get there on their own. I'm not even gonna lie, bro. I think the Spirits, yeah, they're just cooking on their own. Shit, I didn't think about that. Okay, there we go. We got our boy back. My god, bro. Furnace is just cooking for me, bro. What a fucking goat. Goblin's just taking care of it. Holy damage, bro. Alright, now Furnace goes in. Just get a kite real quick. And kite you. Skeletons. Bar barrel. And Gop distraction. And we're just winning. Easy. GG. GG. It's a good game to my opponent. He got fucking fried. It's okay. Happens to everyone. Can't all study up and become pros like me. Alright. That was the last round of it. I'm sure I'll do more, but we'll click again later.